Happy Monday! I'm Tanya Bell, and today I'm just going to do a get ready with me thing, I guess. I have some new stuff to try out that I got from my Boxy. So I'm just going to do kind of like a more, I don't know, kind of natural look today. And I already did my skincare and put on sunscreen and all that. That's why I look so shiny right now. The first thing I'm going to use is this No Poreblem Prime Essence Calendula Officinalis Flower Extract Touch and Soul Primer. And that's what that looks like. I'm just going to use, I don't know. I feel like I don't need that much of this because it's pretty liquidy. I'm just going to put that all over. It's supposed to help your makeup stay on and not move around. It has like a little bit of a tackiness to it, maybe just a little bit. This Skin&Co-Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist, and this is like Radiant Dew, and that's what that looks like. And you're supposed to shake it before you use it. It smells very pepperminty. And then I'm going to take my Tarte Foundcealer. I'm going to dot it on my face. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. brush and just kind of brush that in. I really do like this Tarte Foundcealer because it feels, or it looks super dewy and healthy. I've been liking this technique that I've seen from Wayne Goss, and after you put on your foundation with a brush, you take your beauty blender and just kind of go over everything. You just kind of pat it on, and that kind of gets rid of any excess foundation and kind of pushes your foundation more into your skin. So it doesn't look like it's just sitting on top of your skin. And then I'm going to take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer, just put it a little bit on my eye, under my eye, a little bit where I get really red, my spots. I do prefer using a sponge for my concealer more than a brush. And then I'm going to take my Hourglass Veil translucent setting powder, big fluffy brush, and set under my eyes and just around my cheeks where I'm going to be putting more powder products. And I saw Samantha Ramondal do this the other day. It was like how to keep your makeup on during the summer. And she was just like pushing that powder and foundation and with the sponge also. I do feel like that's looking really nice. And she was doing this rolling kind of place and roll motion with the sponge. I received the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 palette. It's really heavy. And first I'm going to go in with bronzer. I'm going to use Backstage, which is that more, it's really hard to hold, matte. Because this one, yeah, this one's matte, and this one seems to have more of a shimmer. That is bronzy. I'm going to try to hide my double chin. It never works, but I'm going to try. I think that looks pretty good. I like it. Then I'm going to use A-Lister because Headliner seems to have a little bit more pink in it, so I kind of just want to use that, I don't know, kind of a little bit more glowy. That's pretty nice. That's pretty glowy. Okay. Let's go for the blush. I think I'm all just using one side. So I'm going to use Dance Floor because It seems to be a little bit deeper pink than Premier. So yeah, dance floor. This packaging, it feels really nice, but it really gets fingerprints all over it. And today I'm going to use the Natasha Denona Biba palette. I'm going to start with Tusk and just kind of put that all over my lid. And take my Farrah big fluffy brush. I think it's 35E. I really want to get some more Farrah brushes because I really like this brush. I'm just kind of letting my transition shade all over. Today I'm going to use Prairie and just lightly kind of put that in my crease. Then I'm going to take Tone, use an angled shadow brush, and put that on my lid. Once again, just kind of buffing here. And then I'm going to take this Monroe, and with my finger, I'm just going to dot this in the center of my eye. And then using a clean finger, just spreading that just a little bit. Just have that, I don't know, very light shimmer. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that Monroe and put that on the inner corner. And then I'm going to take this angled brush again and pick up that tone again, and I'm going to put that on my under eye. And then I'm going to take this Maybelline Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil and glazed toffee. I really need to sharpen it, but I'll put this in my waterline and try to kind of push it in my lashes. Kind of buff it out a little bit with my finger. I'm going on to lashes, and I got this in my Boxyluxe. This is the Trestique-Good Vibes Mascara. Okay, so this part comes down, and it's like a little eyelash curler. And then you can take off, and this is the wand. So, okay. Just for the sake of trying this out, try this eyelash curler, but I don't know. Okay. And it's too small to put all your lashes in at once. So you have to like go in and go down. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay. I don't know if that actually did anything. Let's try this side. I can't tell if I'm getting my lashes in there. I don't know if that really curled my lashes that much, but I was a little bit scared to continue. So, all right, now we're gonna move on to mascara. This looks like it might be a pretty wet formula. Things are going on pretty well. Lower lashes. I'm getting a like tiny bit of chunkiness, but not that bad. Okay, not bad. I mean, my lashes do look longer and maybe a little bit fuller. So I like that. It's not too bad. Before I put on my brow gel and do my lips, I'm gonna take some more of this Truffle Therapy for Mist. And because it's also supposed to be hydrating and be able to set your makeup. So I'm just gonna pop on my brow gel, and this is the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel in dark brown. And I just run it through because I hardly ever like draw on my eyebrows. I just kind of, I feel like I put this on and that's enough. And they might not be super defined, but I don't know. I like the way they look. And that's all that matters. Alright, and then for my lips and my Boxyluxe, I got the Dominque Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. And this is the shade Strawberry Lemonade. It smells so good. It smells like candy lip gloss smell, if you know what I'm talking about. It smells really good. I can just sit here and smell it for days. Okay. And I'm not going to worry about putting anything else on. It has a pretty good pink sheen to it. It's a little thick, but it's not, it doesn't feel like really sticky or anything. So I really like it. And I think it's really pretty, and I think this would be great as a topper or by itself. And this is the finished look. Everything I tried that was new, I liked, that came out of the Boxyluxe, which I'll go more in depth, I think, with everything in that video. So I will link that in the description box or one of these sides. And that way you can go watch that if you're interested in any of these products. And then I will link everything that I used in the description box below. So thanks for watching. And if you would like this video and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Likes really help videos get noticed. And if you like videos like this, there will be more, I promise. Anyway, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! What am I trying to say? I don't know. Okay. I have this hair that won't stay down. That has. Okay. Maybe I should stop trying to talk and I'll try and put lip gloss on.